Welcome to the Cuyahoga County Animal Shelter, located off of Canal Road on Sweet Valley Drive in Valley View. The shelter's closed on Sundays and Mondays. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday they're open 10:30 to 4:30, and Thursday and Friday they're open late till 6. And thanks to PetFix, many of these wonderful dogs are getting spayed or neutered today, so they can be ready to go home with you the day you meet. Here's volunteer coordinator Cindy with this lovable lap dog she's going to tell you about.
Hello, this is cage number 10. His name is Texas. We call him Tex for short. He is a blue tick / Dalmatian mix. Very sweet and loving, as you can see. He kind of thinks he's a lap dog, but don't make any mistake. He can be energetic in the way of he loves to go for walks. He is about 5 years old. He's neutered. He is ready to be in your home as his forever home. So do check him out. He's in cage number 10. And here is cage 52. This is Miss Josephine. She ain't nothing but a hound dog. She is about 2 years old, and she does have a lot of energy, but once that energy is spent, she is a total love bug. She's kind of curious about things, as you can tell. She's very loving, and she is in cage 52. And if you're looking for things to do or want to check us out at events, look at our Facebook page or our website. We have things listed, places we're going, places we're hosting. We're going a lot of places, so I hope you can join us. And I hope you join Josephine.
Mary Mac, dressed in black, silver buttons all down her back. Tipsy toe, she broke a needle and she can't sew. Walking a dog, just a walking bird dog. If you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to walk a dog. Come on now, come on, come on. That's my mama for 15 cents. See the elephant jump the fence. He jumped so high, he touched the sky. Never got back till the 4th of July. Walking a dog, just a walking the dog. If you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to walk a dog. Come on now, come on, come on. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Tell me, how does your garden grow? You got silver bells and you got cockle shells. Pretty maids all in a row. Walking bird dog, just a walking bird dog. If you don't know how to do it, show you how to walk a dog. Come on now, come on, come on. Just a walking. Just a walking. Just a walking. Oh yeah. If you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to walk a dog. Just a walking. Just a walking.
You're not a ship to carry my life. You are nailed to my love in many lonely nights. I strayed from the cottages and found myself here. Oh, I need your love. Your love protects my fears. And I wonder sometimes, and I know I'm unkind, but I need you to turn to when I act so and I need you to turn to when I lose control. You're my guardian angel who keeps out the cold. Did you paint your smile on? Well, I said I knew that my reason for living was for loving you. We're related in feeling, but you're high above. You're pure and you're gentle with the grace of a dove. And I wonder sometimes, and I know I'm unkind, but I need you to turn to when I act so blind. And I need you to turn to when I lose control. You're my guardian angel who keeps out the cold.